Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your AliExpress account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you are on. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for AliExpress. So simply go ahead and download and install this application right over here and click on open. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this account tab on the bottom right hand side of your screen and click on sign in / register. Now, if you want to simply sign in, click on Google, Apple, Facebook, X, anything that you prefer, or even sign in with email and go ahead and enter your email, your password, and you will be in on your account. So that is about it. It's a pretty self-explanatory and simple process. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.